Melissa here to plan in my skinny classic happy planner. At some point I'm going to get that right. So this week I am going to be using some of these winter stickers. I was thinking this week that I would do kind of a gray and blue week. So I'm just going to get started. Now what I've learned after using this for 1 week is that in order for it to be really functional for me, I kind of need the bullet points. So I'm just going to take a moment and do that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a skinny sticker, one of these box stickers, along every single day. And that's kind of in the hopes that I'm going to be posting something on YouTube those days. Now I did see 3 of these kind of matching box stickers over here. So these guys, so I'm going to use these and then use the blue ones as well. So let me just start. I should maybe, you know what? So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this one. And let me just see what I wanted to get started with. Now I know that on Monday, actually, we have a soap meeting. So that's kind of important that we are going to have for our business. So let me just put that there. I'm going to put this right up here. Actually layer these with some of the snowflakes in this book. I wanted to use this sticker, which is just so cute, cozy and comfy. So maybe with this one, I'm going to layer one of the box stickers and then put this burr on top of it. I really like this one. And just put this. I think I put a box sticker on this side, so let me just try to switch things up. Maybe I'll put it higher, right along here. I'm going to put the burr right on top of it. And let me put one of these blue ones here. I'm going to put this one over here. And I think I'm actually going to move this one to Tuesday. Just working off the colors, I think that'll go. So I'm going to put one of these over here. I'll put another one of them. Maybe here. Yeah, this is what I'm going to put my YouTube video for the day. This blue one here. Put a blue on this side. And I think there's one more foil sticker in this winter book right here. So I'll use this too. Right down here. And then I want to take a couple of bullet points. Yeah, I think I'm going to add some of these snowflakes. Let me just start. Smaller snowflakes right here. I'm going to put another one, maybe a bigger one, along here, and I'm going to put that cozy and comfort. Let me actually kind of go off the page a bit. I'll lay this cozy and comfort right on top. That way I can still kind of journal, or if any other kind of social media tasks that I need to do, I can kind of make note of it there. And I can stick this guy. I can stick the snowflake edge right up here. It's cute. Now I'm going to be putting a bullet point, like I said, for every single Instagram post. Let me grab my tweezers. Okay, let me start here. And I feel like this will go, yeah. Mix it in with this one. And then go for this color. And this color again. And then over here, I'll go back to this one. And pair it with this over here. We'll do this one. And then do the pale blue. Okay. And then I know that the Go Wild ticket sales are going to be this week, so that's going to be a bit of a dent in my budget. And I still kind of want to put my YouTube posts along here, or sorry, my Instagram posts. So I think I'll just kind of put it a little bit lower and then add them here. Okay, and then I'll put kind of this darker color along here. The turquoise. There we go. And I feel like for me, this just kind of keeps it really functional as to what I'm going to need to get done. I'm liking all of the cool blue tones. I just want to add a little bit more decoration, and then I think I am done. I'm going to add this toque because it's cute. And I kind of want to add it to the left-hand side somewhere. So maybe I'll just kind of do it right along here. But the illustration's already here, so I do want to add it on this side of the page. So I'm just going to put it down here. I figure I can still write. And I like these illustrated snowflakes as well. Just provide a little bit of difference. Okay. And I want to keep the same kind of color scheme, so I'm not going to add any of these reds. Let me add a couple of flurries here. A little snowflake. Bigger one along here. Also with some little flurries. Let's see what else I can add. I like these two. Is that too many shoes in one go? Let me layer some snowflakes underneath it here. And I'll put these on top. Want to add some snowflakes on this side. Maybe I'll put Winter Fun right along here. Yeah. I'm going to stack some snowflakes underneath it. So I'm going to take these guys, stick it on the edge here, and I'm going to take this, stack it on top. Okay, let me just put this how I want it to look, like that. And this feels almost done. Let me just add a couple more silver ones on this side. So let me add this here. Let me add this type of snowflake along here. And one of these as well. And that's it. So I like it. It's kind of a cool blue winter spread. So this will be for all of my Instagram posts, my YouTube videos. I'm aiming for once a day because I'm ambitious like that. And then, yeah, this will be kind of talking about that we're having a soap meeting. And I'm not entirely sure what this is going to be about, but I'll figure something out. And maybe photograph or take photos or something like that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I know that I'm done with this spread, but I kind of feel like this space is a bit empty, and I didn't like how there's not this type of snowflake on this side. So I'm just going to cut one of these in half, and I'm going to stick that there, and I'll save this half for some other spread. And with that, I really am done. Thank you for watching.